Hey, what's up? James here. So in this video, I'm going to show you a brand new software that just launched that's going to help making money in the world of cryptocurrency a little bit easier. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can use this software to find altcoins to trade and some of the top gaining momentum coins to be able to jump into. And at the end of this video, if you decide that you want to take action and jump into this offer, I have a bonus package, real world bonuses worth over $1,000 that we're going to give to you absolutely free. And I'll tell you why here in just a few minutes. Okay, now this is a simple software. Anybody can get it. It's not $1,000. It's not a high ticket deal. But first, let me show you the software. Then I'll go into the details and all of that. All right, so this is a software called Crypto Suite, and it just launched by a friend of ours named Luke McGuire. Really good guy. And I think that, again, this software is a simple tool. It's something that anybody can use, but it's going to help save you time, and it's going to help you find those coins to trade in the world of cryptocurrency and just make everything easier, okay? So what you're seeing on the screen right now is the back office of Crypto Suite. So over here in the top left, you have crypto markets. You have alerts that you can set. You can make money with arbitrage, which is pretty cool. It's got a portfolio manager back here, an ICO calendar. Let me go into this real quick though, okay? Because I want to give you some content in this video. All right, so as far as how I'm using this software now, is one of my favorite things to do every day is to look at coins that actually have volume. All right, so I'm not just looking at crap coins that only have a couple $1,000s a day being traded on them. I'm looking to get into coins that have millions of dollars a day going in and out, buying and selling volume, so that there's money to be made and so that there's liquidity. But one of the things I like to do is try to find the coins that have dropped a significant percentage over the last 1 hour, over the last 24 hours, over the last 7 days. Because how do you make money in investing and trading? You buy when it's low and you sell when it's high, right? So very simple. So I have two pieces of criteria that I like to run searches through. And those two things are, number one, I like to see the coins that dropped by the biggest percentage over the last hour and last 24 hours. But the second part of the criteria is that they have to have a certain amount of volume being traded. Again, because if you find a coin that's just dumping and dumping and then it has no volume, the coin might be dead. It might be dying and it may not ever come back up, right? But if you can find a coin where there's a lot of market cap, a lot of volume, and coins that have dropped a significant amount, you can catch those bottoms and then ride them when they go back up. So that's one of the ways that I'm using this software. And so again, what I do in this back office is I go to, and I'm going to show you exactly how to get this software here in the next minute or so, but you can go to crypto markets. And this is what's really cool is we have this search feature here where you can type in certain filters. All right, so I could say I only want to look at coins that have a daily volume of, let's say, more than, I'll put $5 million. And I want to just click filter, okay? And it's going to show me all these coins here. Now, what I can do is I can click this button right here, the change percentage in the last hour, and I can sort by the highest negative percentage or the highest positive percentage, right? And so like this one, we see that one coin dropped by 5% in the last hour, right? So let's go take a look at one coin, right? So let's see what it looks like. Dang. That thing's just spiking, right? So this is a coin that's taking off, right? It's obviously, let's look at the percentage gain on this. I want to see this. What is that? Okay, let me do that again. 87%, okay? And that's since the 6th, okay? Now, I wouldn't buy this coin here because it looks like it's spiking, but what I will do is I'll draw Fibonacci like this. And I would look at possibly catching the retracement in this zone, okay? At the 382 or the 50%, I would watch it, look at a couple other things, and see if that's a coin I want to buy. All right, so again, you can use this coin. This software does not mean that it's telling me what to buy. It's not a bot or anything like that, but it's going to help me do my research a lot more effectively and a lot faster, okay? The other thing we can do is you can type in a filter for the amount of percentage change in the last, hour, 24 hours or whatever. So we can say I only want to look at coins that have changed more than, let's say, 10%, and I'm going to take this filter out, in the last hour. Okay, and we can see, look at all these coins that are spiking right now, right? Check this out. Okay, Zeta Micron went up 100% in the last hour. Alphabet went up 73% in the last hour. Like that's insane. Now we can also sort by volume here. Okay. So look at Poet. Look how much volume went into this coin in the last 24 hours. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this filter out, and I just want to sort by volume and see what's going on here. Okay, so Bitcoin last 24 hours, EOS. So you can see how I'm using this search criteria to find coins to get into. All right, again, what I might do is I may not put any search criteria in, but I'll just sort by, like, let's say the last 24 hours. And you can see, like, dang, that one went down by 82%. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do market cap. I'm going to put in a market cap search criteria here. Okay, so let's say I want to look at only coins that have a market cap above 700 million. Okay, I'm going to click filter. Now what I want to do is I want to sort by the volume over the last 24 hours. So now I only have maybe the top 20 or 30 coins in the entire market, right? Let's see how many there are. It'd be 20, 30. So around 30 or so, okay? But now what I want to do, so I have the top 30 coins by market cap. Now I want to sort by the highest amount of daily volume that's happened in the last 24 hours. Okay, so I sort it like this, and I see Bitcoin, Tether, Ethereum, Ripple. Now here, like, here's some coins: EOS, Tron, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash. These are all coins that have increased in volume in the last 24 hours. Some of the highest volume trading coins in the last 24 hours. Here's the secret: where you find volatility, you can find profit. Okay, you find volatility, you can find profit. So these are the coins I'm going to be looking at the charts and looking at getting into the trades on. Okay, now also what's really cool in this software is the ability to arbitrage. Now I've never really done any arbitrage up to this point, but what's cool about this software is that it's going to tell you the price of Bitcoin in these different exchanges. For instance, right now Bitcoin is $8,100 at Coinbase, but over at OKCoin it's $83.86. Okay, so there's a possibility of getting Bitcoin in one exchange, moving it to another, and selling it at a profit just for simply moving the Bitcoin around. Okay, another thing I love about this, I'll tell you a quick story. The first ICO I ever got into was a penny per coin. It was with Electroneum, and we put a little bit of money into it. And about 2 months later, I saw somebody post about the profits on this coin. And when I went and checked, they had just listed it on an exchange, and it was trading for 20 cents. So I went and I sold it and made 20 times ROI on that coin. So I love ICOs. What's cool about this software is they're going to tell you, I can't say that they're telling us about all of the ICO launches. I don't know if that's possible, but they have a lot in here. So they show you all the ICOs that they have that are live right now. They show you the ones that are upcoming so that you can research these ICOs and get into the ones where maybe it's only a penny or two to get in and buy these coins at pre-sale price, and when they launch, you can sell them for profit. Okay, so really cool software. It's something that I really and then they got some training videos in here and things like that. So I love this software. I endorse it. I think it's, again, by itself, I'm not saying it's not going to trade for you. It's not going to change your entire life. But if you put a little bit of knowledge together with this software, it's going to make your life a lot easier. And that's what we want to get over to you today. So here's the bonuses I'm going to give you. Well, first I'll show you this. There's a link below the video, and it's going to take you over to a page like this. It's a sales video. It's a sales page. You can check it out. And if you scroll down and you click Get Crypto Suite Now, okay, you can see that you can get it for $39 a month, or you can get it for $247 a year. All right, so it's pretty cheap. You can try it out either way. But here's what we were doing. My business partner, Bob Beckett, and myself, what we decided to do, and I'm going to be really transparent here. This is a software I'm using, obviously. I just showed you the back office, how I'm using it. So it's not like I'm just trying to send a bunch of people to the sales page and see how we can make money. However, I am promoting this as an affiliate, and we are in a contest. I think we're number 3 on the leaderboard or something like that. And out of full transparency, we want to win the contest, okay? We want to win the prizes and stuff that come along in that contest. So in exchange, all right, for you to check this out and take us up on this offer, what we decided to do is if you get this software through our affiliate link, okay, which I posted below the video, then we're going to hook you up with a bunch of bonuses. I'm going to go over what those bonuses are. Okay, and if you get the $39 a month version, you're going to get 3 training bonus videos from us going over our winning trading strategy that we use to take $10,000 and turn it into over $100,000 trading in these markets in less than 6 months. So you're gonna get 3 training videos going over that. But if you get the yearly version, this is what we're focusing on right now, okay? If you get the $247 per year version, and there is a refund option and stuff like that if you decide it's just not for you. But if you get the yearly version, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna hook you up, all right? You're gonna get our magic bullet method. You're going to discover our #1 winning trading strategy that works over and over again in every market. Now, these are bonuses that we are giving to you. So we have a course that even in its discounted version, we've sold for $1,000 over and over and over. And we've taken a lot of that information and are putting it here in this bonus package for you, okay? So we want to help you get the knowledge that you need to make this work and then take the software to make your life way easier. And so that's why we're giving away this bonus package. And again, because we want to win the contest. So I think it's something that's going to benefit everybody involved. You're also going to get access to our live trading signals and updates every week, where you can copy our trades for massive profits. It's a $10,000 value. So there's some weeks we might put out 3 or 4 signals. There's some weeks we might put out no signals, but we might put out a video update on the market conditions, right? So if Bitcoin's just consolidating and there's not much happening in the market, I may not trade that week, right? But we'll put out updates every single week, and you can start to copy some of our signals, some of the trades that we get into. Okay, you're going to get our safe and fast setup, where you can discover how to get and store Bitcoin safely in the fastest amount of time possible. It's a $1,000 value. You're going to get back office access to our video training vault. It's a $5,000 value. You're going to discover the exact trading tools that we use every day that enable us to systemize our crypto profits. All right, it's a $1,500 value. You're going to get our de-risking strategy. You're going to discover how to use a simple 2-step process to decrease your risk when trading and investing. And you're going to get 3 secret money patterns where you can use these 3 simple, it's like geometry. They're chart patterns that when we see them, we trade them, okay? And you can use these to make a lot of money in the crypto markets, all right? So total value is about $22,000. Again, the information to us was worth turning $10,000 into over $100,000. To some people, it might be worth $1 million. To some people, it might be worth, $10,000. It just depends. But we have to put a value on this, and all you have to do is click the link below and check out and purchase Crypto Suite today at the yearly version. And if you do that, you're going to get access to all of this stuff that you see here. Okay, so what's going to happen? If you click the link and go over to the page and you check out and you get Crypto Suite, once you access your purchase, you're going to see it's already set up in an automated way. So as soon as you purchase, you're going to get access to our bonus page. And you're going to be able to click the link and go to our bonus page to access 3 of the bonuses. And then if you bought the yearly version, there's an instruction on there for you to email our support, and then we'll reply with the information. Okay? So guys, that's it. Wanted to hook you guys up with this. I hope it's going to be a benefit to you and a blessing to you like it is to us. Again, you can get it for $39 a month or $247 a year. And obviously it's not required to make money in cryptocurrency, but it's something that can help make your life easier, help you find the right coins, help save you time. And so I wanted to kind of put this out here today and let you know about it. So thanks for watching this video, and we'll speak to you soon. Have a good day. Peace.